On the top again.
Hi everybody. In case you're wondering where I've been, well, I had COVID, then I was okay for about a week or two, and then all of a sudden I developed this cough, and I had this cough. Every time I try to talk, I would cough. Today, it seems all right, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully it will be going and I'll be able to do more videos. But right now you'll see me occasionally until I'm starting to feel better. Haven't even been watching the computer. Karen's been having an art show and we've been putting on a lot of Karen's art and I've been helping her video and stuff like that. So that's why you haven't seen me on comments. I try to do comments as much as I can, but we've been really busy around here, being summer and all, you know. I've been doing my black stone, not a black stone, but I name it a black stone, but it's not really a black stone. So I'll just call it a stone grill, flat grill. And I've been doing pretty good on it. There I go again. Anyhow, today I'm gonna give a couple of shout outs. Let's Cook with Ease. Man, she did this black beans and rice, it's really good. And another buddy of mine, you really got to watch his videos. He goes all out on his videos. I mean, tremendous. He did this Christmas video, like Christmas Vacation. You wouldn't believe it. The name of the site is Cocktail Fridays. Get on there and watch his videos. Please. Unbelievable. Today I'm going to make a drink called the Tropical, what was it, Karen?
Some kind of blast.
The Tropical Melon Blast, was that it, Karen?
I think that was it,
It's the Tropical Melon Blast. And I'm gonna get ready once. I had to go get some ice, I needed ice. So here we go. I got 1.5 ounces of coconut syrup. And that stuff pours really slow. Put some rum in there, stir it around a little bit, huh? This doesn't count for the rum. This is just a glass cleaning segment. 1 ounce of rum. Actually, it's a little bit more. Actually, it's a little bit more. 1/2 ounce of coconut rum, because there's already coconut in it, so you don't want to do too much. 1 ounce of gin. The Melon Blast. Midori. 1 ounce of Midori. Tastes like cough medicine if you drink it straight. It's real sweet. And 2 ounces of strawberry, I strawberried it myself, strawberry infused vodka, 2 ounces. Two ounces of pineapple juice. And we're gonna shake this puppy up. I'm gonna try to do like my buddy Vino at 60-second cocktails. He says you gotta shake it for 10 to 15 seconds. And he goes like, there you go, Vino. Did you get the winks? I'll bring it back, Missy. I'll bring it back. I'll bring it back, Missy. There you go. Oh, this looks good. Pineapple and cherry garnish on top of my cocktail. I gotta teach these guys how to make this in Hawaii. damn good. Anyhow, be careful not to get COVID. Wear a mask if there's a lot of people. If there's too many people, wear a mask. And say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.